Ever dreamt of fine-tuning massive language models without needing a supercomputer? Today, we're diving into Lora, or Lorank Adaptation, a game-changing technique that makes fine-tuning faster and more resource-friendly, all within Google Colab. First, make sure you're in a GPU runtime. Go to Runtime, then change runtime type, and select GPU for accelerated processing. Next, we need to install the required libraries. Copy and paste the installation commands, including transformers, accelerate, and peft, into a code cell and run it. This sets up the environment for Lora. Now, let's load our pre-trained model and its tokenizer from the Hugging Face Model Hub. Specify the model you want to fine-tune, for example, BERT Case. It's time to configure Lora. We'll define parameters like R, representing the rank of the update matrices, and Lora_alpha, a scaling factor. These determine the intensity of the adaptation. Integrate Lora into our base model using the get_peft_model function from the peft library. This wraps the original model with the Lora adapters. Finally, define your training arguments and kick off the training process. Lora significantly reduces the number of trainable parameters, resulting in faster training times and lower memory consumption. And that's it. Save your fine-tuned Lora model for future use. You've now harnessed the power of Lora and Google Colab to fine-tune large language models efficiently.